one last time. My name is Pepper Porker. I was bitten by a radioactive spider, and for the last year, I've been the one and only Spider Pepper. I think you know the rest.
With great power comes great responsibility.
I'm here for revenge, Shrek.